If you're thinking about getting your first drone or upgrading the one you already own, DJI now has a drone for every type of creators, from complete beginners to professional filmmakers. So in this video, I'm gonna compare every drone I currently own and help you find out which one fits best your workflow. If image quality is your priority, the Mavic 4 Pro is the one you want. With its 100 megapixel Hasselblad main camera, combined with 2 additional telephoto lenses, it records stunning 6K HDR footage with incredible details. This is the DJI's most powerful drone for professional productions. The Air 3S has a 50 megapixel main camera paired with a dedicated 70mm telephoto lens. The Mini 5 Pro is easily the most versatile drone in DJI's lineup. It has a 50 megapixel camera and records stunning 4K video. It has nearly 50 minutes of flight time and a weight of under 249 grams. For most creators, it is the best drone I recommend. The Neo 2 is the DJI's simplest and most beginner-friendly drone. It records crisp 4K video, making it ideal for travel, social media, and everyday flying.